Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mabel Canada's YouTube channel. So today I am going to install this Govee smart ceiling light. This one is new and this one is thin. I am going to put this here, mount this here, because there's a junction box here that it's flushed. So when I purchased this house 14 years ago, this is already like this and it's kind of irritating. I'm just the one who put the cover here. So now Govee created this smart ceiling light. Is so thin, so this will looks better if I am going to mount this here, and this will not be visible anymore. So let's start installing this and mounting this here. Okay, what's in the box? In here, in the box, there's a quick start guide, the ceiling light. So what we have here is this. Look at this. This is so thin. And then there's a light here as well. So when it's when it's already mounted there in the ceiling, you will see the light aside from the light from here that's coming out. The anchor and the screw and the connector, and then this thing that will hold the ceiling light. There are two wires here, neutral and the hot wire. So let's start mounting this. First I have to remove the cover. I'm going to mount this first. This will hold this smart ceiling light here. This thing that will hold the ceiling light, it's now mounted. Now I'm going to connect the wire. But first, before you connect the wire, you have to turn off the circuit breaker that belongs to this line here. Remember, the black is the hot wire and the white is the neutral. So after removing your old ceiling lights here, so as you can see, there's this thing that holds the ceiling light. What's included in the Govee smart ceiling lights is different kind of screws and anchor, and this one is also included. After you cut the wire, you insert it here, and then this one will fit. This screw will fit to this. This is like a junction box, but this is for the lights that will hold the ceiling light. So after that, you have to tighten this up. Okay, and that's easy. It's so easy to mount this. Okay, so now it's mounted. So you don't need to drill a hole anymore. So I have to make a little bit more because this is too short when connecting this. Anyway guys, in Govee smart ceiling lights, this is included as well, but I prefer not to use this. I prefer to connect it directly, not with this one here. So remember, you have to follow the color code. So black is the live or the hot wire, and the white is the neutral. So let's connect this. There. Yeah, now it's connected, so we can place this now here inside here. Yeah, there. Now it's holding. Okay, after connecting this, you should open the apps. Let's open the Govee app. And then as soon as you open the Govee app, you will see the plus sign on the top right corner. Press that, and then it will detect the new connection, your new Govee light. So it says here H60A1-1D4D. So we click the add, and then we'll wait. So ceiling light, if you want to rename this, I'm gonna rename this basement ceiling light, and then press done. There, and then it's going to search for Wi-Fi. And then it's because I have a lot of Govee lights already, so it will remember the password and the Wi-Fi name. So I'm gonna press done here, and then it will connect. I'm gonna turn off the other lights so that we will see the real color. Now, because it's mounted and it's set up already, you will see here the colors, like different kind of color or illumination, or yeah. So if you want to go to the color, you will press that white color there on the whole management. And then if you want to change the color to pink or yellow or green or red and white color. So if you have this party in your house, press the music. Okay, so if you press the music here, you will see that it will synchronize to the sound, just like right now when I'm talking. So when you have a party and you want to brag your new ceiling light, you can turn this on in the music mode, and it will detect the sound. Just like when I'm talking right now, it detects my voice through here, and then it will react, right? It's synchronized to the sound. You can program to the dynamic or gathering or calm. So when it's calm, it's not really reacting that fast. Or you can also adjust the sensitivity here when you're talking or when you're playing music, so that it's not gonna be reacting that much. So there you go. That's how it works. In illumination, you can also do this illumination. So you can do relax with illumination, or reading, or work. So there's also AI. If you want to place do the AI image effect, you can upload the image effect or make the sample here like this. Yeah, or you can place more there. That's the AI. There's a scene here, like the scenery, the festival, like just like before. So there's a aurora here, or this lightning. There, lightning. Or the fall. That's the fall. Spring. Or the carscape. So there's a preset of rainbow. That's the preset of rainbow. And then the flower field. There's a lot of presets here, or the fireworks. If you want the fireworks, there, you see, that's the fireworks. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this light here. So that's the fireworks. And then this is the party. Yeah, that's the party. Or if it is, if you want the colorful, there, that's colorful. Or technology, let's see the technology here. That's the technology there. And that's where I programmed my lights over there, the Govee. There in my wall. It's that's technology. This is the preset technology. Or let's see here, the profound. Let's see the profound. Yeah. Or the stacking. Or blossom. So there's a lot of preset here. This is the flow. Yeah, this is Dreamland, if you want the Dreamland. The nightlight. This is the movie. There's a meditation as well. So a lot more. So, and then there's a Christmas. That's Christmas. Yeah. And then this is the party. Yeah. If you don't want any of this, you can just select the preferred color you want. Like my work. Okay, all my smart devices in this house is linked to Amazon or to, okay, I'm gonna give you some example. Amazon, turn off basement ceiling light. There. Amazon, turn on basement ceiling light. Amazon, change the color of basement ceiling light to yellow. Yeah, there. Amazon, change the color of basement ceiling light to red. Amazon, change the color of basement ceiling light to white. There. Okay guys, I hope you like this Govee smart ceiling light, and if you are going to look for this kind of Govee smart ceiling light or all kind of Govee smart lights, check the link down the description below and click it there, and you will find it there, and you'll be glad if having Govee smart lights. And also, if you are also looking for different kind of Govee lights on how to set them up, go to my created list. The list is the LED technology there. Check those LED lights there that all my videos over there. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe on this channel. Okay guys, if you are also going to look for the Govee switch for your Govee Spotlight or all kind of Govee lights that you have, and you want to have the manual, the physical switch for your Govee, you can do that. I have that video here. Check it out.